Ringkat bat karihi barok kawai, ke jylla Meghalaya hakasni palai jong katayo, kala Rakhe pendon buram iaka Republic Day, hakapa ulat ke jylla Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra retired, ulapan her ya kalama jong kari, hak jinghalang pajba kebelalong Hamadan Polo, Shillong. Hakane ke jing Rakhe ulat ulapan her ya kalama jong kari, bat hadin kane ulashim ya Rashtriya salute na kiken hun ke be shim benta hak jing yat parade, bat lapin ipuru ya kane ke jing Rakhe da ke jing let drill jong ke Megha Shakti Women Commando, bat ke jing pen inam ya kitabut ke balapan krek kerpang da kitanat baper. Hak jing ya kop pen ya kitabun ya kanam lakdo layo da katanat Horticulture Department, katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department kalawan baar, bat ka DCIC East Khasi Hills kalawan balai. Ulat samru yaki Meghalaya Day Award Arhajar Arpaula Shakakong Sweetimon Rinja kabalayo ekatirot Singh Award hakathok katar ka Dr. Jennifer V. Basayomat kalayo ekapatogan en Sangma Award hakajing senyang yak lang salang hakajing ajing sumare kikman bat ukling son di marak ulayo ekakyang nangba award hakakam yelekai. Hakatai ke jing Rakhe laya don lang Chief Secretary ke jylla ubat DP walang ki he officer sorkar ki he pulit bat kiwei hendrai ki pat ba ki bala poi sekene ke jing Rakhe kem sim labon satya habenu jor bat kisnem ki bala lain. Ulat Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra ulaong bak jylla kadon hapadeng ke jing syongsuk syongsan bat wat nakaliang jong kaken hun king atiar HNLC ru kala paktin banyak keren sukno klem ke jing bu yakinu kikendon. Ulat ulaong bak sorkar jylla kala simkya banyak penbet yu put usam ubati kena bat ke jylla Asam. Ulaong baka jylla shen kanjit ikinong mikmat banai mikmat hake yang dorbar thawan kumta ula kerpat ya barok kinong shinong ke jylla kamtam ye kisamla bekidai ban mi shakhamat banya shimbenta hake election banjit yaki MLA ke jylla.
As part of the interstate exchange, we have the Indian Reserve Battalion from Arunachal Pradesh led by Sub-Inspector Mojen Moyong. Followed by the contingent of commanded by Junior Under Officer Ms. Mary Wanbo Susha. For the first time, the Unitarian Higher Secondary School, Surya, led by Ms. Savika Karluki. Wallambok, Nongkar.
Here in Shillong, the result of untiring efforts put in by the contingents and drill masters, braving the chills of these past few days.
Gini.
Friends, these 5 laudable words, that is,
dignity of the individual, unity and integrity of the nation are our survival mantras. Let us follow them in letter and spirit. And more importantly, let us bequeath it to our children as our sacred gift to them. Those of you, ladies and gentlemen, who like me have lived under the dictatorial laws of the British, which inflicted misery, insult, high-handedness, discrimination, arrest, detention, jail terms, and corporal and capital punishment on us, the Indians, would certainly appreciate the human values assured in our Constitution. Today, we are sovereign republic. We are proud of having best constitution in the world. Compare it with our pre-independence masters, the British, who were ruling us in their country. They do not have even a single line by the way of a written constitution. Today, the most important fact for the progress and development of our country is to remember our fundamental duties, which are enshrined in Part 4A, Article 51A of our Constitution. These fundamental duties impel us to reaffirm our commitment to build a better, more prosperous, inclusive nation for all of us. Now we are free. We have the rule of law, as also all the democratic rights. Let us resolve to preserve it. Let us come together to make our country Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. The importance of Republic Day for each and every citizen of our nation lies in remembering those who have given us this Constitution. Let us gratefully remember the chairman of the Constituent Assembly, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who later became the first President of India, and also Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the chairman of the Drafting Committee, who later became the first Law and Justice Minister of independent India. Let's also remember the members of the Constituent Assembly who enacted, adopted, and gave us this Constitution. It is due to their great vision, their written vision in the form of this Constitution, that we have been able to sustain our democracy in exemplary way for these 3/4 of a century. We got our Constitution consequent to our independence, which came about on account of the selfless fights of our great leaders like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and the ultimate sacrifice of our great martyrs like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. Let us today pay homage to all of them. We also owe our gratitude to patriots of Meghalaya, U Tirot Singh, U Kiang Nagwa, Patogan, and Sangma. On this occasion, I would also like to express my gratitude to the members of the Indian Armed Forces, paramilitary forces, and the Meghalaya Police for their selfless service to ensure the unity and integrity of the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, our state Meghalaya, with a population of around 38 lakhs, is home of 3 major tribes, that is Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia, and many smaller tribes, as also people of other ethnicity.